Assalamualaikum class, welcome to the online practical session of computer aided manufacturing. I'm your practical instructor Naima Javed. Today we will do workshop number 7 whose objective is generation of CNC toolpath for flat part using machining workbench. Also its verification simulation using Catia software. Right. In earlier practical session, that is practical number 6, we have drawn the part. We will open that part from file menu and press the open, and you should have to give the path where you have saved the CAD drawing that is designed in the CATIA. After opening that, you will go into the start menu into machining workbench and you will select advanced machining. Now you are in the machining workbench, right? You will select part operation. This window will be opened, right? You can see here there is no selection currently. So you have to define firstly the stock which should have to be machined. So you have to define the body that should be machined. So you will open in the product list the part you have designed, and you have created the body 2 to be the stock, so you will select body 2. You have selected the body 2. Now you have to select the design which the machine on which will be machined, or the design that you have produced. You have already selected the stock. Now you will be selecting the design, and that is the part body. Okay, you will be selecting part body. Now the part body is selected. Now you will be selecting the reference or the origin from where the machining will be done, right? You will have to press this position and you have to choose the position from where the machining will be starting or the origin point, right? It will become green, that means it have selected the reference surface for machining operation, and select OK. Now give the safety plane at the top surface. You have selected the plane, press OK. Also, you can change the part operation name as your name and roll number. So I am changing it by my name. Let's say my roll number. You should have to also do this because so that every student should produce their own original work for the same dimensions. So I have done this and press OK. And press OK. Now you have set up the machining workbench. Now you will create the roughing operation. This roughing operations, machine parts by horizontal planes. So you must define geometry, machining strategy, and tool. And from where you will select the roughing operation. Select the manufacturing program 1 to create the current entity, and then select the roughing operation. This window will be appear as I said that it have in roughing operation we have to define the geometry, machining strategy, parameters and tools. So here first of all we will define the geometry. First of all, we will have to click on this red sensitive area to define the part body. Now you have to define the part body. So part body, that is our design, you will select it. Okay, now you have to select the rough stock which you have created as body 2. You will select it. Okay, and safety plane you will choose. This is the safety plane. As you can see, these areas after your selection become green, right? You can select the minimum thickness to machine over here as well, right? And then this is the machining strategy. How you will be going to tool path style? You can select helical, and there are multiple options. We are selecting here helical, right? Third option, that is tool which you have to define the roughing operation. You have to define the end mill because we are machining this part with the help of milling machine, and then you can specify the tool number which you are using. You can specify the body diameter as 5 millimeter as per the tool size that you are using to machine. Okay, and then the body diameter and the nominal diameter will also be 5. Press OK. Double click the corner radius and you can specify the radius at 2.5. Right. Now before pressing OK, you can replay it. Tool path will be replayed. Okay. You can check the simulation and tool path will be replayed. Right. You can adjust the speed and check the simulation. Press OK and select OK. As you have defined the geometry, the toolbar strategy, the geometry, and tool parameters, and now you can press OK. You have checked the simulation. Also, you can check the simulation by right-clicking manufacturing program, then go into the manufacturing program one object, and then you can press replay toolpath or start video simulation using toolpath. So if you select this, select play, and you can adjust the speed of the simulation. This video will be appeared. That's all for the practical session number 7. What you have to do in the review, you have to attach this window mentioning your name and roll number screenshot in your workbook, as well as the simulation screenshot in the workbook. So thank you, class.